Ebushafo ma munyina akwa ba Ghana Sam TV GH. But your message like, comment, subscribe, then your notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebushafo yako NSM nime.
Ibrahim Mahama. If care is not taken in 2029, if care is not taken, let me start this way. Mubekaya, last year, a news item came that NDC4 had gone to sell about half of our gold reserve, almost 18 tons of gold. Which gold reserve? NDC4 needed to hold. It was through Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's ingenuity that we decided, say, as a country, let's keep gold to back our currency. When we asked them, say, why did you go for that gold to sell? They came to tell you and I said, gold price had risen, international process, then they went to sell the gold ahead of time. That is the explanation they told all of us. That's what they gave us. We knew, say, it did not make sense, but we had actually not known why they did that. Ebushanfo, I can report you today, say, we know why NDC4 sold over 18 tons of gold. We know why. Bank of Ghana, they were almost collapsing last year. This Bank of Ghana was almost collapsing last year. And because they realized, say, if they kept quiet, if they did not take any action, the situation was going to be very messy. Then they quickly took our gold and sold it and placed the money at Bank of Ghana to balance Mushit. But even with that, they had still incurred losses of over 16 billion. And when you speak to experts on this matter, they will tell you, say, ideally, over the 16 billion is an understatement. The overall debt Bank of Ghana incurred last year, over 44 billion United States Ghana cedis. 44 billion Ghana cedis. That is the amount of money Bank of Ghana lose. And you ask yourself, you are not paying people, you are not paying contractors, you are not fulfilling any obligations. Even common S-Gracia, how do you lose up to 44 billion cedis in just 1 year, your first year back? Meanwhile, NPP, our last year, it was 9 billion. You come and almost 44 billion. That is number one. Number two, Sammy Gyamfi told you and I said he went to sell gold in our boka. It was shocking to all of us. We knew, say, as some way there, yes, it cannot be true, right? But we still did not know why Sammy Gyamfi Otmi Boka. I can tell you, say, me, I was passing by a container and two market women were discussing. So whatever I'm coming to say right now, I heard it from the market women. I don't know them. So you cannot ask me to go and show you where they were. Me, I was just passing and I heard the market women discuss this. Sammy Gyamfi takes gold and tells us, say, Aboka. Ibrahim Mahama takes over a mining concession. And then within a week or two, he tells you and I, say, he has been able to get 110 kilograms of gold. Hey! 1 week, 2 weeks near 110 kilograms of gold. Then he comes to tell us, say, that gold, he's coming to sell it to Gold Board. Then Sammy Gyamfi stands in front of the camera and he's telling you and I, say, you see why we gave the mine to Ibrahim Mahama? And it is because some of these things. Charlie, it only takes someone who is dumb not to see between these lines. Yeah. Only someone who is dumb. Number one, he said, from what the market women were saying, it's not possible for Ibrahim Mahama to get that much gold in just a week operation. It's not possible. If it would be possible like that, why would even mining companies be collapsing? You get it. It's not possible. Number 2, Sammy Gyamfi said the gold board law that he himself and his co sent to parliament, it said that it is only small scale miners that must sell their gold by force to gold board. But for the large scale companies, they can take their gold outside and go and sell to whoever they want. That is a gold board law. And it makes no sense, okay, to tell me, say, the reason you gave the mine to Ibrahim Mahama was because you knew Ibrahim Mahama would get gold and bring it and come and sell to the state, Debbie. And I'm telling you, this is the first and last you ever hear of Ibrahim Mahama and gold. Because from now, after doing this media charade, all of the remaining, it is going to go outside the country. You trust these people at your own risk. I can't say QNet, Ponzi scheme now. These are the things we are talking about. Let me pick you. Let me hear your view on this quickly, and then let's call it a night. Right. You can send your request. Let me pick you.
Na meka me ho nyenti na aja monte menka no we de obia bisa na ka na nsem abeba sa ka e friend is saying nsem abeba bebrebe ka mu
Yeah, I will took that.
Eja waju me okay but who say one say I will have to first of all about this are suffer for I have told you also more forget about them. They have nothing like salvation e wo mumu say Bistroko other Orthodox churches na hwesoko. Emma bibia na da say Orthodox church na wokono. Enye na mfa won kwankwache. E dey na chese mfa won kwankwache mo. Eno a friend say omo mudrule no. Omo administration wo ye sofokra wontimi njimi wo. Go to your Orthodox church. Before beku obeku. And sorry charismatic churches ya bayi. And bebrebe ma ye jeje Orthodox churches ne abayifo ani esusu anu ntia mo kanokre anya no bebre na ma yeko jam pai boni yeko charismatic churches e ma yemu bebre jaja mesramo if you are Methodist, Presbyterian, Anglican, whatever, go back to your church na hwenya nyakobo na boni pa ho bai na se ye be dis hankrofo we ye che ho da bia ye be ka yese ama ase ore ya Christosum na ye ba betena ha gu na ni ma se me wa Christosum is the best religion on this earth. Some year Christian in say Christosum na your best religion. But this are suffer for say I can see a became discuss ma. Atemi an ebedi there is nothing about me aka because so one subano and that Christo and that Christosum di was say ha so the babra because Christosum dey can no cre. It who can say one wa ha I was a one na akoka. You don't go and stand somewhere and say two. Babra so what I say ya who you nyanam come for. Omo say and no mugina. They won't go and stand somewhere. No one change your man. Yes, so there. Ye jina haka way. Ade chani akoka way. Is that how I say Christo something? And to me, I don't want to talk about them again. As I'm power. Because from day one, and kronfuɔ at the pulpit and other politics. Leave the politics for us. Win souls. If the politicians are lying or saying something, we are politicians. Na mumu jina pulpit so no beka ho. Na ko se mo beka no kra ni mum na mo ba ya atrofo ma politicians ne dia. Na ye koya na say ye buy. Until these people, for me, I just don't want to discuss them because I'm here man ba kwa tia wo.
Yeah.
Man ba kwa tia wo me komasa. And MPP for internal issues 18 ye mra ye. Ye mra ye. What did you say na? I tell them and no crack can be crying and them ye kronfuɔ no bantwi wa ye me say ne sa na ma mother enti nyakopɔn ya adom ye internal elections ya emu adwin ejanka henhenfo akomdo masambetete o ma akasa ate akoda nyaka ye nkɔ ye ne mu nko a na me ye we na me we time na why ta obi context a wo kɔ no sabi o me nuanom mo ye friends nyina no candidates as then they nyina obo ya dey from class omo to abane from say
delegates
delegacy enti Dr. Bamian baga ka chom say omo to abama nipa da sane na say omo to abama it will never happen. It will never one kasa relationship a wo don kronfuɔ ne wo so what I say ye krom ye ti say eye ba no na eye ba na wo munya yie na bekwa koja wo ma no wadamfo no se bia bibini no invite wo na wunya ho kra nkwa wo frɛ no wo ne kasa nya se bia wo ma wo ho na akɔfrɛ no wankasa wo frɛ ni pakro ne kasa ene de mentime ma na bia next week me ba na me ba me hu a ni pakro no why ne de kro de be chew na mbu nya we nyina de a na wo ne wo form no grassroots no nya kama ene de Dr. Bawumia wo de na yi eno ne Dr. Bawumia wo de na yi contest ne call there is no obi abetimi akọ one candidate afa de mu ba chiche doctor na kra otiase bebrebe say de ya obi antimi ma na afa and he saw it and I don't think so no nani abra no pen president edi obekwa ko fa sa trivia ne ma we betwintwa na akwan mu say obi an support me ti sade amekoya against ono benya de ntimu bra we kra mo de ne ba bisusu na mo obi na adwene ma bie say ono what think ahead eniema be bo man no dwene ho mu trivia niema we am de ko so me dwene moment ase o ana mu fesa na adwene so te se mo de no mo Dr. Bawumia no mo hu ni ye o mo hu ni wo no niema nketenkete bu hu do de dey I don't think say he listens to those stuff cry no be involved on that time no ono wa dwene ko aba fa so be we ni Ghana konya na wo sit abelu so na so be no de dey ono sit no interested in the oberwe na ejoso amano ejoso na we oberwe that seat no enya de wode yan be contest no na ope na mo si oberwe ni seat no enti wudi pakra mesem mo nyina mo fa hye mo tirim mo kopa mo position a mo ne mo nkropon na nya fine na mo hu se dem bosi no makasa no mo interact eno be bo ma mo we ne na mo nya se mo ko hye ba wi achi na ekodi we achi na ekodi we achi no na nya fine emo aye ya ko contest akwa na nado enipa bebre na ye na against ense sa ayi opoku ni dey rather say opoku wanwan no odi honorable Alan Achi even we cross osan ko di Brian Achi I mean then time per contest na hiti and so another buy an appointment so more fina Eastern region that's how go we can free you didn't say
minister now something like that.
Yeah, an appointment. Not even now. Then time crana. No, man in ministerial position, but no appointment on another bem. And so you know you're against. None didn't care so you're against. Or the Alan China said, "Oh man, the post." That time cry. Now you cry. Or this for. You could this for. Can home become you can say. Or you're against the MPP also. And so another by one appointment. They don't really care about this trivial constituencies and some no. Constituency they are not the other. One on the air when say about winning city no. And yet they will no quackage near the momo contest and more corner, na especially safe city side just. That's about a real musa out there. Yeah, Munya Sanya market and kitchen and mode for foreigner. Mona microphone who how valued the man is. Odimu ankasa. Odimu ankasa. Some mobi mu who odimu. Na modern same hunu when and crank cross away. Echo Shincha and Ewodia. Say Ghana for class of Bacasa brand when you're serious. You are nipping so you're serious. I mean, a woman you're home. Then, hey, I fed the money before my bama so. I am not now, my NDC for the propaganda. No cast be an art Tomoso. Nah, Mosomo can be. Media, you can never get me. Oforiata has been the best minister so far. Kind of Oforiata. Why your best minister? Ha! No more on a day call COVID in Russia, in Ukraine war. If we are seeing a sika say on a general and naso, a sika say de my obia Sri Lanka, hey, you cannot almost change your PM near the dinner, no for yata jinan and naso. Was it any day and any month I was capable teacher salary? Was there any day or case a food? Yeah, Muko corner, my tongue mean to Yaboka. Now, more, sir, bra we say. I will know what dear conco deal with, and this is for so no can answer man, no more baby. More cofa a bonful or at to force you, what to mean constructed one sentence cry. I did never compare for yata. And people for that. Sometimes you may your worry, sir, minimum work party back because me won't come dear move. Now this is for can fall into it. And no because and no for yata, oh, my for yata. What to be the knuckle to a buana for an answer a buana be no, oh, omrani enchene srani abasa sama hu de mu da ye friends nanu ya papa Castle that be and the papa na we Maxwell Kofi Juma papa 70 years mo come fast on kwache no it is no for yata wa born the promise for yata call Oxford na say ndisi for kwasiafo e papa no mu twabe most of them no papa mo ahwe yi kokoso na ntabo for yata wa Oxford na mumra ko be Oxford enipa hodo etimi ko Oxford then table for yata na mama for yata ba ya common abi ndisi for we nkrasefo we can asa na mo mpipi for mo dwane na for yata ombra na we mu emra so no we mu fa nkoto we mu now you've seen say Oforiata was the best. Some at Bank of Ghana, have you realized that 2025? What was it? 2025 na we as economy ye. No be economy ye. And so what kaya boy? We as economy ni free COVID the bar. Obia dia ye. And this na cry Ukraine ye first say Israel anyway talk about 2025. No be as ye. Me say me video. Na dollar no ehase me ye video ka chen na do say okwa wonya dollar na chidi no man nko no soro na nya say ankrofo we kra o man ko from say de kra na ene ma ye ton Ghana me say me video no da ho sisi ampa wa o evidence bia me kwa ko fa bro until 2025 de na sika na ye na inflation na sha say e ba from mo ba ko inflation na do ko bia na efra na ate aba na bibia ye and this way ma ba be pie so na ya no o ma sa ba be fa ye sika ye gold ya reserve abeton na mako fasa akora we ya onu ntimi construction sentence kra we dey compare Oforiata hey before sometimes shamo na minim wo ko ba ko mu na mi hu da benya na so be di batam because mo so kwasa samso do na mo kan this case bia na abom and this case bia na atom so why imagine muti me kwase a dum so na aba no opposition na amadum so aba na opposition no so mo Kumase for na amadum so aba o werade na just say na NDC you think say I can't see nyina ye asante for na that is what they think the moment I walk tree no kwa de we asante ni problem if east no if west no if hin eba omudomi ate ya asante for why imagine say sankrofo we no muto mamu dum so aba ye bepe kwan ye be fa so ye be solve problem no and this for agie de say a opposition no opposition no so a asante for how akoso boda asante mem
okay
akoso boda asante mem
therefore
yeah these are the people that we are dealing with